This video is all about verifying this trigonometric equation. Now, we are given this particular problem to show that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So now let's begin. Now you have A. The first one was that they said tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 1 all over sin theta cos theta. Now let's now take the left hand side of the equation. So the left hand side is tan theta plus cot theta. So tan theta plus cot theta, tan theta is the same thing as sin theta all over cos theta, plus cot theta is the same thing as cos theta all over sin theta. Now, what is the LCM of the denominator? The LCM of the denominator is cos theta sin theta. So now we need to make the denominator equal to the LCM. So now for us to do that for this, what we needed to do to this cos to make it the same with this one is to multiply sin theta to this. Now, but what you do to the denominator, you also have to do it to the numerator. So you now have sin theta divided by cos theta times sin theta divided by cos that divided by sin theta, sorry. So sin theta divided by sin theta. This is the same thing as 1. So this times this will give you the same thing as this LCM of the denominator. So now plus you have this as cos theta divided by sin theta. So now for us to make this the same with the LCM, you multiply sin theta with cos theta. So if you multiply what you do to this to the denominator, you also do to the numerator. So we multiply both sides by cos theta cos theta. That is, you multiply this by cos theta, also multiply the lower one by cos theta. So now when you look at this thing critically, you notice that you have sin theta times sin theta will give you sin square theta. Divide by this will now be the same thing as the LCM. Now plus this one now is you have cos theta times cos theta will give you cos square theta. Divide by sin theta cos theta. Now since the denominators are the same, you add the numerators. So you have now sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by sin theta cos theta. Now according to now we are going to now apply trigonometric identity. The trigonometric identity we are going to apply is that you know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So that implies that cos square theta plus sin square theta divided by sin theta cos theta is equal to what? The numerator now becomes 1 all over sin theta cos theta. And this is the left hand side of the equation. So since the left hand side of the equation, which is 1 all over sin theta cos theta, is equal to the right hand side, so that equation is verified. Now the next question is, let's go to the next page. The next question is show that cot let's go and see what. Okay, cot theta. Okay, the next question is cot theta plus cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta equal to cosec theta, because cosec is same thing as co-xc. So it's the same thing as cosec theta. Let me see whether it's okay. Okay, no, this okay, the up is sine. I didn't write it properly. This is sine. This is cos. Sorry. Sorry. This is sine theta. This is cos theta. So that is it. So now let's begin. Now let's work with the left hand side. The left hand side of the equation is cot plus sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Now cot theta is equal to cos theta divided by sine theta plus the whole of this, which is sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So what is the LCM of sine theta and 1 plus cos theta, which is the denominator? The LCM is sine theta bracket open 1 plus cos theta. This is the LCM, the LCM. So now we need to make the denominator equal to the LCM. To make the denominator for this one equal to the LCM, we multiply sine theta with 1 plus cos theta. So now what you do to the denominator, also do it to the numerator. So that means we have cos theta times 1 plus cos theta, then sine theta, we will now multiply sine theta with 1 plus cos theta again. So because this divided by this is just 1. So plus, now you have sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So for us to also make the denominator the same, we multiply sine theta, because you have this, which is this. So you multiply it with the one you don't have, which is sine theta. You multiply the numerator with sine theta, you also multiply the denominator with sine theta. So that is what we have now. So now the LCM will now be, now if, okay, let me just do it here. There is a space here. Cos theta times 1. Let me open up this bracket by using this to multiply inside. Cos theta times 1, you have cos theta, plus cos theta times cos theta, we have cos square theta, plus sine theta times sine theta, you have sine square theta, divide by sine theta into 1 plus cos theta. So I add all of them together because the denominators are the same. So now the LCM will now be cos theta plus cos square theta plus sine square theta divided by what? Sine theta into 1 plus cos theta. Now, according to trigonometric identity, you know cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. So anywhere we see this, we substitute 1. So that means the whole of this is 1. You now have cos theta plus 1 divided by sine theta bracket open 1 plus cos theta bracket close. Now, if you see this is the same thing as this. If you interchange it, because the signs, now you have 1 plus cos theta. Let me interchange it so that it's divide by sine theta bracket open 1 plus cos theta. So this will cancel out. You now have 1 all over sine theta, and 1 all over sine theta is the same thing as cosec theta, which is can be also be written in this form, CSC theta. So since the left hand side, now the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, so that equation is proved. Now let's go over to the next question. The next question is Now C, which is the next question. The next question, they said show that, let me write sin theta plus cos theta bracket close. Now you now have tan theta plus cot theta is equal to sec theta plus cot sec theta plus cosec theta. Let me see whether that is what was written there. Sin theta plus cos theta. Okay, that is it. That is it. Cool. That is it. So now what we're going to do next is we're going to look at the left hand side of the equation. You have sin theta plus cos theta times tan theta plus cot theta. Now you can write this is sin theta plus cos theta, and this one expressed in form of, that is in terms of sin theta and cos theta, you have sin theta divided by cos theta as tan theta. Then plus cos theta is cot theta is now cos theta divided by sin theta. So now you now have sin theta plus cos theta into the LCM of the denominator is cos theta sin theta. So now we're going to now do, let me just use say cos theta sin theta. Now cos theta divided by cos theta sin theta, you have sin theta. Sin theta times this, you have sin square theta plus sin theta divide cos theta sin theta, you have cos theta. Cos theta times this, you have cos square theta. So now, and this expression, you know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So that means we replace this with 1. So now we now have the left hand side equal to now sin theta plus cos theta into now 1 all over sin theta cos theta. Since sin theta sin square theta plus cos of theta is equal to 1. So this is what we'll get now. Now open up this bracket, you now have, you use this one to multiply this. So you have sin theta divided by sin theta cos theta plus you use this one to multiply this. You now have cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. So this sign will cancel out. Why this cos will cancel out? So now you have here, you have 1 all over cos theta plus this one is you have 1 all over sin theta. So 1 all over cos theta is sec theta plus 1 all over sin theta is cosec theta. So this is equal to the left hand side. So that is proved. So they are equal. So now this is the end of the video. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Thank you.